welcome back to my channel. It's a new year and I'm excited to share my 2025 journey with you all. This is me making meat pie on the first day of the year. I was supposed to make this on Christmas, but I got so busy with work that I couldn't make it on Christmas Day. But not to worry, I'm here now and I'm ready to share my baking skills with you all. So let's get started. I will leave you all with the rest of the video. The recipe will be in the description box down below.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemical as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Go and do what you do first. Allow everybody to come. Your birthday is tomorrow.
Tomorrow, oh, 5th.
Yeah.
Flickered several times, threatening to fail. George became confused, stood up to leave, but ended up tripping. The boy fell, and over him, the pigs ran, frightened. Outside, George's parents saw the animals. It was hard to see, but in the UK. For years, it was just a tale passed down from generation to generation until it reached the ears of two men, supposedly cartoonists.
So we're going ice skating. A few days ago was my son's birthday and he requested to go there today. So that's where we're heading to right now. And I just finished pulling down my Christmas tree. Today is 10th of January. Is today 10th or 11th? 11th. So let's go. Let's go skating. I can't do this. Go and sit down and beg. See my skating shoes over there. So it's just moving fast. So guys, I think I need to end this vlog here. I just finished unboxing the things I got from Temu for free. I was able to play all those games on Temu, and at the end of the first game I got free gifts, and this was what I picked: ring light with a small tripod, and I also picked this phone light. I have something like this, but that one is not rechargeable. It works with battery. So when I saw this, I was very happy about it, and I decided to pick it up. So see, you can use it without battery. And also I got myself a pair of jeans, but the jeans is very small, so I'll try it. If it's stretchy and if it's my size, I will wear it. If it's not, maybe I'll give it to my niece. So in this vlog, I hope you watch up to this point. If you did, please leave an emoji, a smiley emoji, in the comment section. I so much appreciate you guys for watching till this part, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. I hope you enjoy watching this video.